Web navigators. Hello and welcome to ptitstrucsastucespc PC. You may be using the Windows image file creation tool to back up your system. The problem with this tool is that it will perform a backup without compression. So if you have 347 GB on your system, as in my case, it will start to get heavy on the storage disk. But hey, it's always good to have several types of backups of your system. As in this example, where I use 3 types of backups, including 2 third-party software. In this example, I will open the Windows image backup folder to try to open it. It's a failure for this attempt, but nothing is lost. You will be able to use the software imdisk toolkit, which will solve your problem. To do this, click on the link in the description. Here we are. You have 2 download choices, a 64-bit and 32-bit version. You can find your version in the system information. I choose 64 bits. That's it, it's done. It's a compressed folder that has been downloaded. Right-click on it and select Extract All. Then click on Extract. Open the folder that has been extracted. Right-click on install.bat and select Run as administrator. Then click on Install. After configuring the location of the shortcuts, you can open the utility Mount an Image File. Open the path to your backup, Windows Image Backup. Open the folder until you reach the desired backup subfolder. You will have to choose the most important one in capacity. The preparation of the emulation is in progress. Click on OK to execute the emulation and create the virtual partitions. Once done, the virtual partition will open automatically. Here we are. But you will ask yourself what this will be used for. Rather than re-imaging your entire system disk when a folder and where file is corrupted or anything else, it will be easier and faster to create a virtual partition to retrieve your data. Once you have recovered what you need, you will have to open the utility again. Select the letter of the virtual partition and click on Dismount. And that's it, it's done. Nothing could be simpler. I hope you enjoyed this information video. I'll see you soon in the next video.